is your Rural Affairs Minister suggesting that farmers can avoid paying inheritance tax if they plan properly? Isn't this proof that your policy is hurting British farmers?
The Labour government, led by Sir Keir Starmer, is under fire for its controversial inheritance tax changes, leaving British farmers feeling betrayed. Rural Affairs Minister Daniel Zeichner dismissed concerns by claiming, with a bit of planning, no inheritance tax will be payable at all. But this tone-deaf remark has sparked outrage among the farming community, who say these policies could devastate their livelihoods. The Country Land and Business Association warns that 70,000 farms, about a third of the UK total, are at risk. Families who've worked their land for generations now face selling off property just to pay tax bills. CLA President Victoria Vivian put it bluntly, "Protesters have every right to be angry. Farmers shouldn't need to march to London. Ministers should be marching to them." But Sir Keir insists his government supports farmers, brushing aside concerns as a matter for families to arrange themselves. TV presenter Jeremy Clarkson joined 10,000 farmers in London to protest the so-called tractor tax, calling it a rushed, last-minute decision. Clarkson didn't mince words. It's time for the government to admit they've cocked this one up and back down. Meanwhile, Conservative leader Kemi Badenoch warned that Labour's tax grab is cruel and could destroy farming for future generations. And while Labour promises fairness, financial experts say these changes are causing chaos. Families are being forced to rethink their plans, with many now fearing they'll lose farms that have been in their families for centuries. The future of British farming is on the line, and Labour's actions are leaving rural communities wondering, who is really looking out for them?